Welcome to North Point, the pinnacle of luxury living on the Gold Coast. This spectacular estate occupies a rare 1,570 square metres of prime point positioning, boasting an impressive 36 metres of absolute water frontage and captivating north-facing views of the Broadwater. Designed with timeless Floridian flair, North Point is a masterwork of solid craftsmanship. It features exquisite finishes from Europe and the USA, including French oak timber flooring, Carrara and Calcutta marble tiling, and ornamental plaster ceilings. The residence is adorned with designer lighting, handcrafted American lamps, and a refined mix of materials like alpaca carpet and Persian rugs. Located in the prestigious Paradise Waters enclave, the property provides the ultimate blend of vibrant city life and serene waterfront living. Upon arrival, you're greeted by resort-style gardens and a grand colonnade, leading to a tournament-sized north-south tennis court. The expansive covered entertaining area offers stunning open water and skyline views, ideal for both grand celebrations and intimate dinners. Inside, North Point features 5 luxurious bedrooms, including a magnificent master suite with an ornate ceiling and an imported American Christopher Guy mirror. The residence boasts 7 bathrooms, each with full slab luxury marble and high quality finishes. Culinary enthusiasts will revel in the 3 gourmet kitchens, with the main kitchen and butler's pantry showcasing Gaggenau appliances. The design includes multiple elegant lounge and dining zones, a media room, and a dedicated presidential office, ensuring a perfect balance between work and leisure. North Point is not just a home. It's a landmark of world-class living and an embodiment of luxury perfection.